340. Whose is this ride? Nice ride. Where'd you pick this baby up?
Picked it up in 1998. Sitting in a barn in Markham.
This is a barn find. Nice.
Sat in the barn from 84 to 98 when I bought it.
Yeah, okay.
It's been on the road since 2005.
Oh yeah. How much work have you put into it?
Oh, quite a bit actually.
Yeah.
It's all picked up with a crane, sandblasted,
Okay.
everything, and it's all high gloss black underneath.
Yeah, yeah.
You
So
know,
it was like pretty barn find, rusted out kind of thing?
No, it
was
just
good?
wasn't. I was bringing it back to original, so
Yeah.
I just made sure I changed it all. It's all numbers matching.
Oh, really?
Yeah, factory air car. Yeah.
So it's probably like a $500,000 car then?
Yeah.
No. How much?
Get me a T-shirt too.
There you go.
Yeah, no, it's no, it's all numbers matching.
Numbers matching.
340, but
So you're gonna die with this thing?
probably.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well,
All
that's
my
awesome.
unborn children are going to enjoy it.
Yeah. Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, that's original color. When I bought it, it was plum crazy purple.
Really?
This is the original color.
Oh, someone painted it plum crazy purple?
Yeah.
Okay.
That happened a lot back in the day, though. A lot of people painted them plum crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah, I had when I first bought it, I bought it at my lunch hour.
On your lunch hour?
Yeah, I
Wow.
went and bought it on my lunch hour, and the guy said what he wanted, and I said okay. Well,
Yeah.
I called the flatbed, and I got him to deliver it and drop it in my driveway.
Wow. That's
And
awesome.
I have a picture of it.
Yeah.
When he dropped it in my driveway with, I just put a piece of firewood in it, keep rolling down the driveway.
Nice.
But I have a good picture of it. Though.
So how long did it take you to get it to this stage? Probably. Like,
Well, it was supposed to be. I factored 2 years into it, but
Yeah.
like I say, it never got on the road till 2005. So it was a 7 years.
7-year build to get it to this state?
Yeah.
Anything else you're gonna do with it?
Now I just drive it.
Just drive it, enjoy it? Yeah,
Yeah, it's I drive it most places. Well, it's never see a winter,
yeah.
but yeah, like I say, doing it 26 years. It's
Jeez.
I've got no plans to get rid of it.
All right. You coming to Weber's?
No, I don't go
You don't?
that far. I'm from Oshawa. so
Oh,
yeah,
Oshawa.
It's a fair drive on a Friday night.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's all right if you're up here. Tuesday, right?
Tuesdays.
What, is it
And you
Tuesday, I go to Port Perry on Tuesday nights.
Oh,
Good
yeah.
show there.
Okay.
Yeah.
No Dodges.
No Dodgers? Oh.
Oh, there's the odd one. They always stand out in a crowd.
Yeah.
But when I got this, like I say, with plum crazy purple with the black vinyl top,
Yeah.
everything, just so you see it. I actually have a picture.
Does that have AC?
Yep. Yeah, it does. Let's see if I can get it. That was the day it come home.
Oh, really?
Right?
Yeah, it is
Hey.
plum. Yeah.
That's it. And there's that piece of wood I said I put on it behind the wheels, keep from rolling down the driveway.
Yeah.
But the original wheels, everything on this.
Okay. Nice. Back alley cruisers.
It's not the plum. It's a different version.
Yeah. No, this is the plum.
Is it a plum? Was
Yeah.
it?
Yeah, it's plum. But the dust, everything just come with it. So
Free of charge.
that's free of charge. Just sit in the barn.
All right. Thanks, guys.
Hey,
See you around.
drop a t-shirt in the mail.
Yes, sir.
Don't forget to throw in the mail.
Yeah, for sure. Okay. Looks like I have to get some shirts.